can see he's got a huge collection of sports shirts. Perfumes also. Okay, balls of Bali. Wow, look at those. A nice swimming pool, and then the rooms are located around. Nice. And then here's the swimming pool, guys, at the... So another one, guys. And here's the pool, guys, with all the rooms. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here, I'm on Jalan Legian. Well, I'm actually on the corner of Jalan Pantai leading down to the beach at Kuta, and I'm on the corner of Jalan Legian. However, I've covered Jalan Pantai leading to Kuta Beach in another video, so today I'm going to take you along Jalan Raya Legian from literally, let's say, from Poppies 1 down to Poppies 2. I'm going to zigzag across the road and show you what's available to you on this street. So come with me, guys, let's go and have a walking tour of Jalan Legian. This is Jalan Pantai leading down towards Kuta Beach. We have Don Juan, the Mexican bar stroke restaurant over there. Over in this direction you have Bimo Corner. And this is Jalan Raya Legian. You can see the traffic's very busy. So we're going to go for a walking tour along Jalan Legian now. You can see over the road you have a big Volcom shop. Have a celebrity tattoo studio over the road there. And you have a shop here selling all your shirts, perfumes, etc. You have a spa next door to Celebrity Tattoo, and then you have another tattoo shop. And then here's Poppies 1, guys. This is Jalan Poppies Lane 1. Okay, so we'll start the tour literally from here. Okay, so just right next to Jalan Poppies Lane 1, we have your first shop selling a huge array of sports shirts here. Has all your football shirts. These are men's. He's got some for kids. Okay. So he's given us permission to walk in the shop and show you the display, what's on offer. And as you can see, he's got a huge collection of sports shirts. Right. This is the name of the shop, guys, and this is located just next door to Jalan, the entrance to Jalan Poppies 1. And then you have another shop here selling similar t-shirts and things again, sandals, shorts, etc., ladies' dresses. And look at the traffic, guys. Another tattoo here. Some more shops selling more tourist items here. This man's got handbags here. What's the name of your shop?
This is Charlie's shop.
Charlie's shop.
Yeah, Charlie's.
So he has a huge array of handbags. And this is just not too far down from Poppies 1, guys, as you're walking down Legian. So you can see he has a huge collection of handbags also here. Nice designs. Ooh la la, wow, look at those. Charlie's shop also has a nice collection of caps as well here, guys. And he's also got the perfumes also. We used to have a huge array of shops, guys, on both sides selling all the same things. Another one here, Harry's shop on Legian, selling sportswear. Lost in Paradise. Shop selling nice original goods here. Wow, guys, it's just shop after shop after shop. Have a tourist information shop here selling tours. You can also get your SIM cards from here as well. And this is the inside. So busy this street, guys. You have an Indomaric convenience store located here. And you have a place called Uluwatu, handmade Balinese lace here, guys. So some really nice goods here. This is throughout Bali, this shop. And you have a place here called Bloody Good Art Shop selling paintings, guys. Really nice paintings. I'm from England, but I stay in Bali, my friend. Okay, and then the next place, guys, is a place called Handicraft. Sells a huge array of bags here. You've got a nice collection of bags. Some Bintang beach towels. Here, some nice words. This place is called Handicraft, guys. Next place we have, guys, a place called Two Seasons Lifestyle. This guy's got some really unique items. Shops just give us permission to just give you a brief look around of what kind of products he's selling. As you can see, they're all unique household decorative items. Stone, metals, brass. Really unique, nice collection in here, guys. So the next place is a very fluorescent light shop called Wetballs of Bali. Which is quite a unique shop, selling things that I haven't seen in other shops on Legian. Look at those. Some really unique items in here. Guys, we have a Blink jewellery. This is a really nice jewellery shop, this. Sells some really unique items. Nice ladies' clothing shops here. Shop here that's got a sale on 150, 250. It sells a huge array of everything, mainly bikinis, handbags. And then we have a sports bar here called AMV Shooting. It's got a unique concept seating here inside, guys. Barrels for seats. Wow, look at those. Some Jack Daniels barrel seating also. There's your bar. And just across the road from AMV Shooting, guys, we have another bar called Aquarius. Give us permission to take a look inside. Pool table in here as well, guys, and a little bit of seating out the back here also. So two crate bars literally right across the road from one another, guys. the Lxxy nightclub here, which is currently closed because we're only in the middle of the afternoon. So just across from Lxxy nightclub, guys, we have the Sandat Hotel Legian. This is not too far again from the Bounty and Paddy's pub discotheques. We've just been given permission now by the manager to just give you a look around. Hello, how are you, sir? And then here's the swimming pool, guys, at the Sandat Hotel.
Okay, kita orang. Yes.
And then you have all the rooms here, just located just to the side of the swimming pool. Another one, guys, here is a place called the Aquarius Hotel Lagoon Villa Cottage Suite, and we just go down here. We've just been given permission to take you and show you around. Everybody's doing some form of dancing here. Looks like great fun. So it's just down this way, guys. Here's the pool, guys, with all the rooms surrounding the pool. A place called Cindrella Souvenir and Handicraft, guys. This is a big shop here. And then you have the Harper by Aston, which is located just in the back there, guys. Another shop called Surfer Girl here. Traffic, ooh la la. Here on the other side of the road, guys, we have the famous Paddy's pub, which is still decorated for Halloween. Bounty Discotheque, which is obviously also closed because we're still in the middle of the afternoon. It's right next door to Paddy's pub. Okay, guys, and just across from Bounty Discotheque we have a hotel called Maxi Hotel and Spa. They've just given us permission to give you a look around in here. So this is the entrance. It's a little bit dark at the moment. And then here's the big swimming pool here, guys. A nice swimming pool, and then the rooms are located around the pool. You have an oil here, also called Maxi Budget. So I think there's some cheaper rooms in there because Oyo is normally pretty reasonably priced accommodation here in Bali. They have so many different hotels here in Bali by the Oyo group. So if you're looking for somewhere close to the nightlife of the Bounty and Paddy's pub, this might be a place for you to consider. The next one you have is the J4 Hotel, guys. So the J4 Hotel is also literally just down the road from the Bounty Discotheque and the Paddy's pub also. Okay, guys, so they've just given us permission at J4 to go and give you a little look around in here, so come with me. floors of rooms, guys. So the next place we're at, guys, this is a big bungee ball, the only one here in Bali. There it is, guys. And then just down from the bungee ball you have Poppies 2, guys. Just next to Poppies 2, because there hasn't been too many eating places, we'll include this. This is a place called Ground Zero Kitchen. I've just been given permission to go and walk around and give you a tour inside of the place. So here's the seating area in Ground Zero Kitchen. A little length of bar just sat by Legian. So there's just a little tour for you guys from Poppies Lane 1 down to Poppies Lane 2, the ends that come out onto Jalan Legian. As you can see, you've got a pretty huge array of shopping options, little stores and everything, little shops here for you, selling all the usual array of handicraft goods, handbags, perfumes, sports shirts, caps, everything that you usually see on all of the major tourist section of streets here in Bali. You've got it all here on this stretch of Legian, so if you're staying in this area, hope this video's been of some use to you. Glad to share this place with you, and I shall say bye for now.